And for the European economy, look, they're in the same situation as Mexico. What does the ECB want to do? They want to cut rates. Why are they doing it? Because Germany's automobile sector is in a depression, my friends. We know this is happening. Trump's comments leave little room for optimism of agreement to avoid a North American trade war that may spread across the world. U.S. stock futures and Asian shares declined. The peso fell to its lowest level against the dollar in almost 3 years, and the Canadian dollar sank to the weakest since 2003. So you look north. What did they do? You see the central bank ahead of the tariffs. They cut rates. They went back to quantitative easing, and they know that they're in a dangerous position because if the Canadian dollar plunges, they're going to get inflation. We already know their economy is slowing. People are starting to lose their jobs. And what this means is the central bank won't have the latitude to cut. And if they do cut, it could cause mass inflation in Canada. The euro dropped on Trump's renewed threats while the dollar rose. Of course, you want to get rid of U.S. inflation, cause the dollar to go up. But let's talk about the euro because going into the weekend, it plunged in value too. And then on the thought that maybe things weren't going to impact Europe, well, it rose only to turn right back around again. The ECB looking to cut rates here. This is a big problem because the currency fell to its lowest in nearly 2 weeks as soft inflation readings from Germany and France strengthened the argument that the ECB will continue monetary easing this year following a rate cut on Thursday. The Federal Reserve kept rates on hold Wednesday, which President Trump actually said was a good move and hinted further at a pause, ensuring the dollar remains a much more attractive currency.